Hello everyone, welcome back to my science diary.
What if I told you your stomach acid, soap, lemon juice, and even water all have their own secret number? That number is called pH scale. Hello everyone. In the last episode, we learned that not all the neutralization reactions become perfectly neutral. So today let's explore something scientists use to measure acidity and basicity, the pH scale. The pH scale tells us how acidic and basic a substance is. The pH scale goes from 0 to 14. The pH less than 7 is considered as acidic. pH equal to 7 is considered as neutral. And the pH more than 7 is basic, that is alkaline in nature. Let's try to make it more easier so that you can understand easily. Think of the pH scale like a balance game. Lower the number, stronger the acid, and higher the number, the stronger the base. Let's see some real life examples like lemon juice is acidic in nature, soaps and detergents are basic, and where the pure water is neutral. Even our stomach contain the hydrochloric acid with a low pH. So the next is, how do scientists know the pH of a substance? They use a special chemicals called indicators, and there are different types of indicators like litmus paper. Red litmus turn the blue in bases, and the blue litmus turns the red in acid. And another one is universal indicator. It shows a different color for the different pH value, like red for the strong acid, green for the neutral, and the purple for the strong base. So, an indicator is a substance that changes color depending on the pH of the solution it's placed in. In other words, it acts like a signpost, showing us whether a solution is acidic, neutral, or basic. Example For example, litmus paper turns red in acid and blue in bases, while a universal indicator will give a whole rainbow showing exactly how strong or weak the acid or base is. So, indicator helps us see what's happening at a chemical level. But wait, why do indicators change color at all? Is it magic or a chemistry? In the next video, we will uncover the science behind color changing indicators and even test some substance from home. So, see you on the next Saturday. So, science is not just something we study, it's something we observe every day. Thank you for listening me. See you in the next video.